Okay, all. This is Nifty Thrifty Girl, and I'm showcasing yet another Kenmore. This is a Lilac Model 50. It is a basic straight zigzag machine, 1.2 amp, all metal, weighs about 40 plus pounds, easy to operate. It has the square Kenmore bed. It's a high shank machine. It uses class 15 bobbins and 15 by 1 needles, and it's a left needle machine. Bobbins there, feed dog drop, adjustable stitch width, adjustable stitch length, and bobbin winder on the wheel. This machine is not double needle capable. It comes with a box of goodies, a few feet included there, darning foot, button sewing foot, hammer foot, bobbins, a couple other things. Does have some paint dings along the front edge, unfortunately, but this machine is a worker, and of course paint dings don't affect the performance. And I'm going to sew some things for you. Nice, smooth working machine. PDF copy of the manual will be sent to you. Zigzag. Of course, you can do creative embroidery also. Pull in the length a little bit. Widen out while you sew. You can make decorative patterns. As you can see, it's tabletop ready. Nice stitch. This is 12 layers of fabric. Using a size 16 needle. The clicking that you hear is my spool of thread. It's not the machine. 6 layers of denim. And 3 layers of garment leather. So very nice on the leather. Super nice basic machine. It's a hard worker. Nothing fancy, easy to use. All metal. That is the Kenmore Model 50.